Yo, welcome to another episode of Mighty Car Mods.
Now, car manufacturers spend millions of dollars researching the right car horn sound to brand their cars.
That's right. Now, if you try a Holden Barina horn, it's going to be all like meh, meh. If you try a Ute horn, it's going to sound as tough as old nuts.
So today we're going to show you how to mod your horn for $5.
I'm horny already, Martin.
Sometimes it's the simplest mods that make all the difference to the performance of your car. This is not one of them. We're on the hunt for a new horn to give our girly car some balls. You can pick up second-hand horns from a wrecker for less than $5. We got a whole box for the same price as a John Farnham CD. We're using a dB meter to check how loud they are. There's a number of different styles to choose from. Trumpet-style horns have a deeper tone, but they're not as loud as the modern horns made with metal plates. It's a good idea to test them for tone, frequency, and harmonic balance to make sure it's right for the personality of your car. You can run extra horns on your existing horn circuit, but it's better to use a relay. A relay is a switch that acts like a tap that's turned on and off by an electric current. You can switch high currents and voltages that are triggered on and off by tiny circuits.
So we're going to find ourselves a bigger horn and install it next to the one that's already there. Now that's going to be drawing a lot more current, so we need to put a relay in, which means the horns get their power directly from the battery and is switched on and off by the original horn circuit.
The first step is to isolate the wire in the engine bay that's triggered by the horn button. You need to connect up the trigger side of the relay to this circuit. You'll know it's right when you can hear the relay clicking. Next, run a dedicated and fused power supply from the battery to the switch side of the relay. Find a spot to mount your horns and you're all done.
So there it is, that's how to pimp up your horn for $5. Now we reckon some people need to get a horn installed next to their head so every time they hit it they end up with a bleeding ear hole.
Manufacturers spend millions and you can do it for 5 big ones.
Only 5 little ones, Martin. It's incredible, isn't it?